Hey there, it's Benjamin with Textla. In today's quick video, we're talking about SMS segments and how they impact your messages. Let's dive in. An SMS segment is typically up to 160 characters long. However, if your message exceeds 160 characters, each segment is reduced to 153 characters due to the way SMS infrastructure was built by carriers. This means that messages longer than 160 characters will use more segments, the character limit per segment dropping to 153. Additionally, certain characters like emojis can affect the segment count, potentially increasing the number of segments used. Here's a quick example of what a message may look like. As you can see in the bottom right corner, you will have an updated character count and segment count. Textla charges 1 credit per segment, so it's important to keep an eye on your segment count, especially if you're sending longer messages. You can send up to 1,600 characters, which does not change if an MMS is included. An MMS is a text that includes an attached file like a picture or video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.